For months, astronomers assured us 3I, ATLAS would be nothing more than a spectacular flyby. A harmless interstellar visitor skimming past Mars before disappearing into deep space. But space rarely stays predictable. And now, new observations have triggered a wave of questions. The numbers changed. The projected path shifted. And suddenly, scientists started considering a possibility no one expected. What if 3I, Atlas isn't behaving like an ordinary comet? This isn't just another icy visitor. This is a story of unusual acceleration, strange emissions, and an object whose movements appear almost too precise. Let's dive in. When 3I, ATLAS was first detected, it looked ordinary enough. Fast, bright, and coming from outside our solar system. But researchers quickly noticed something unusual. Instead of simply drifting inward, observations suggested subtle changes in motion. Its surrounding cloud of gas appeared brighter. Spectral readings showed increased activity. Normally, comets become more active as solar heating increases, but this looked different. The object seemed unusually stable. Then came the deeper observations. Tracking data suggested repeated bursts of material escaping from the surface. Some interpreted these as natural outgassing. Others wondered if the timing looked strangely organized. Could natural venting create the appearance of controlled movement? The debate exploded. As telescopes around the world kept watching, trajectory estimates narrowed. Mars became the focus. Not because impact was confirmed, but because even tiny changes can create massive differences over millions of kilometers. And suddenly, simulations appeared across scientific discussions. People started asking impossible questions. What if a natural object could alter its own path? What if gas emissions acted like micro-thrusters? What if something from interstellar space looked intentional? Then speculation intensified. Some independent researchers proposed radical ideas. Could 3I, ATLAS be more than rock and ice? Could it be engineered? Most mainstream scientists remained cautious. But online discussions erupted. Metallic reflections. Unusual brightness. Patterns inside the emissions. Claims spread rapidly. Theories multiplied. And attention turned fully toward Mars. Because if something unusual was happening, Mars appeared to be standing directly in front of it. If an impact ever happened, the consequences would be enormous. Dust storms. Shockwaves. Loss of scientific assets. Years of exploration disrupted. Orbiters. Rovers. Decades of collected data. Everything at risk. But then another idea emerged. What if destruction was never the point? What if arrival was? Mars has fascinated scientists for generations. Subsurface ice. Ancient water. Possibilities of microbial history. What if an interstellar object interacting with Mars would reveal something hidden beneath the surface? That question transformed the entire conversation. Then came the most controversial claims. Reports surfaced online suggesting unusual molecular signatures. Engineered compounds. Unexpected spectral readings. Nothing confirmed. Nothing proven. But enough to fuel endless speculation. And suddenly, people stopped asking whether 3I, ATLAS would hit Mars. They started asking something stranger. Why Mars? Because sometimes the most unsettling mystery isn't impact. It's intention. And this story was only beginning. As attention focused on Mars, another possibility began circulating. What if the object wasn't approaching randomly? What if the trajectory itself carried information? Researchers and enthusiasts started examining patterns. Orbital timing. Intervals. Repeated alignments. Numbers transformed into theories. Some suggested the movement itself looked like communication. Not through radio. Not through light. But through behavior. A message written across distance. Then another mystery appeared. Certain regions of Mars attracted unusual attention. Areas known for strange terrain. Circular formations. Symmetrical patterns. Features that sparked imagination. Some wondered, could ancient geology resemble something intentional? Most scientists said no, but the conversation continued. Then came another layer. Reports of repeating timing intervals. Pulses. Sequences. Patterns matching mathematical relationships. People began connecting everything. Mars. The object. Human observation. Ancient symbolism. And suddenly the story became larger than astronomy. What if this wasn't an event? What if it was synchronization? Questions multiplied. Could civilizations in history have recorded unusual sky events? Could myths preserve memories of cosmic encounters? Could patterns repeat across time? Again, no evidence. Only interpretation. But the theories spread. Then another dramatic idea emerged. If Mars once held life, what happens if something from outside arrives? Not destruction. Interaction. A collision of histories. Planet meeting visitor. Past meeting future. People imagined impossible outcomes. Activation. Discovery. Transformation. And then the final idea appeared. The most unsettling one. What if the impact isn't physical? What if the real event happens inside us? Because every discovery changes perspective. Every telescope changes belief. Every unexplained object forces new questions. Maybe that's the real impact. Not on Mars. On humanity. For centuries we looked upward expecting silence. But what if the universe communicates differently? Through timing. Through coincidence. Through things that force us to pay attention. By now, 3i, ATLAS had become more than an object. It became a symbol. A reminder that space still contains mysteries beyond prediction. And whether this turns out to be ordinary science, or something completely unexpected, one thing is certain. We'll keep watching. Because sometimes the greatest discoveries don't arrive with answers. They arrive with questions. So tell us in the comments, do you think 3i, ATLAS is simply another visitor? Or is there something we still don't understand? Subscribe and stay tuned. Because this story,